Beverly and Bill had a very small trucking company in the Oklahoma City metro area, and they never became wealthy, but they had a little money. They had some savings. They owned a couple semi trucks and trailers. They owned a couple houses. But age abused them like it's going to abuse us all. And eventually they become unable to manage their own affairs. Perhaps unfortunately, they did not have any children or other close relatives in the area. And it was only when their life became particularly out of control that a niece flew in from out of state to check on them. She quickly realized that they couldn't handle their financial affairs anymore. They barely recognized who she was. Their house was an absolute disaster. Their houses, both of them. Unfortunately, they had not done any estate planning at all, and so we were forced to get legal guardianship over them. Eventually, the family member became the guardian of their person. That's the person who chooses medical care, for example. And an outsider was chosen as guardian of their money. Thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars were used in this endeavor over the last 3.5 years of their life. But it could have been avoided with a simple power of attorney. And Oklahoma provides in our state statutes a pretty easy to use power of attorney. And I've put it on the description of this little video. It's found in Title 58. You can go to that court website, which is www.oscn.net. That stands for Oklahoma State Court Network.net. And look at the state statutes, Title 58. And you can just copy the text right out of that statute, paste it into a Word document, add your name, add the names of the persons you're appointing. And you can quickly, easily, and very, very cheaply have a power of attorney. Some people don't want a power of attorney because they're afraid of them. And I understand. It's a lot of power you're giving up. So let's talk about a couple ways you might protect yourself. One thing you could do is appoint two people as co-power of attorney and make sure by the language in your form that they both have to sign everything. That gives you a pretty good chance of avoiding any wrongdoing. Another thing that I've seen done is the parent will draft a power of attorney, give it to child one, and tell child one that if I'm ever incapacitated, you give this document to child two, and they will have the authority to act on my behalf. It's a measure of safety. Maybe it's imperfect, but it's better than nothing. If you're fortunate and you have a family member that you trust completely and utterly from the beginning, just give them the document. But do keep in mind that it's very powerful and sometimes they are abused. If you want a little more guidance with a little more detailed, a little more powerful power of attorney, hope you'll come see us. My phone number is 405-733-8686. And my name is Terrell Monks. But there are other people at the office that can help you as well. Thanks for watching.